Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice.
Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin'.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nizzy's Playhouse. So today I am reviewing the Nadula hair. And a lot of YouTubers review the hair, so I actually won this hair in a giveaway from one of my favorite YouTubers, Miss Glamazon Tay. Hey boo. So right now what I have in is a 16-inch closure and 3 16-inch bundles. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this blunt cut unit. It is a little uneven, but who gonna clock me though? Okay, that's what I thought. But anyways, this hair I am a fan of. It is extremely bone straight. I mean, you see the flowiness in this hair, and this has been about a week's wear because I had made the unit and wore it to work, and I just sprayed some dry shampoo on it before I showed you in the video how I got this cut. So it's super easy. Okay ladies, so it's super easy. What you want to do first is go ahead and position the wig on. I use my denim brush and some scissors to do this. So you want to section off section off a part of the hair, and then you'll want to cut off, where you want your bob to be. So that's where I made my cut right there, and that's it. So go ahead and position it on the mannequin head. Go ahead and get all the kinks out, get it as straight as you can, so that you can go ahead and get ready to start making your cuts around the wig, starting with that little piece right there. So I just based everything off of that little piece. It would be so much better if I had some clippers, I promise it would, but I didn't, so I used what I had. You got to use what you got to get what you want, right? That's what they say in Players Club, right? So here I was getting a little antsy, so this is where I really started fucking up, because once you bunch the hair and gather the hair, then it starts getting angled. So don't do that. Just cut. And you don't have to cut it on the mannequin head. I just wanted it to be perfect, but it wasn't anyway. So yeah, epic fail. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking a piece from the other side and trying to match the length, just so that I can get it even. You don't have to do this, and it actually didn't work out like how I thought it would. Yeah. So what I did here is I just went around on the other side and I started snipping away. And actually I was snipping at an angle versus, you can see I was clearly, yeah. So right here, what I did, you can see clearly that it is like not even. I don't know. But this is all the hair that I used. Once I was finished cutting, I went in with the flat iron. I sectioned the hair into 3 sections, a bottom row, middle row, and a top row. So yeah, go ahead and just flat iron the hair section by section, and this ensures that you get all the little marks out of the hair, just so that it gets bone straight. And I was going back in, like I would go flat iron it, and then I would go in with the denim brush and just go over it like that to just ensure that it's like silky smooth. This hair is the bomb. Like, I've never had straight hair that was like straight. It's always usually had like a wave to it or something. But girl, let me tell you, this Nadula hair, y'all did that. This is one of my favorite AliExpress companies so far. I'm a fan for real. Here I'm going in with the argan oil, Moroccan argan oil. I got this from Walmart for about $4 or $5, and this just is to ensure that the unit smells good after all that flat ironing. I know my unit is looking a little funny. I will go ahead and I will leave the video on, you know, why it's looking like that and what I did to achieve this natural looking part. I said it is uneven, but I did have my girlfriend go in and fix it, so it's not as bad as it seems. And my pictures came out pretty good, so I ain't tripping, you know me. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. It was super easy to do with some scissors. Yeah, and as always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.
I wish I was an old girl.